Hello friends, welcome to Creators Talk. This is Amruta and today we are going to learn how to sketch on iPad using Apple Pencil. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button. We will be using an app called Sketchbook to sketch our doodle. In this app, we have many tools like pencil, pen, some paint brushes and few other designer tools as well. Let's try felt pen tool. This is a really good tool. We can draw with the help of this tool. And here's another tool that helps to adjust our shape. If you go to the settings, you can change thickness here. And from here we can get different colors for our pen. We can also add more planes to our drawing. With the help of these planes, we can keep our project, so we can add or remove that particular layer from our project. Now here I want to add another heart shape exactly similar like this, but this is hard to do. So we can just copy the same plane and then adjust the size accordingly. Now here I'm gonna do the same thing again. So I copied the layer and again adjusted the size accordingly. This is the tool for symmetry. We also have an eraser to erase, or if we do something wrong, we can erase that. Okay, let me add some volume here, and now we'll add some design in these curves. Now, here this tool helps us to get a perfect shape that we want to. Okay, let me add few more curves to this. And here we go. Now I want to work with few lines, so I'm using line tool here. This is how we can mark few lines with the help of this tool. let's add some color in here. I'm just adding black color. It's a lot of fun working on a doodle art. We can freely just add some designs to this, and we can even add some color. Now let's try some color in the background. Yeah, this looks good. And here we go. This is all done. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back soon with more creative ideas. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.